You're watching market headlines at the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement. Earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 7,088.53 and then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 7,073.32 and then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,091.76 and in short, JCI went up 0.68%. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got cyclic sector as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 1.25%. Basic sector went up 1.03%. Technology sector went down 0.62% and infrastructure went down 0.11%. And moving on to top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. BBCA went up 1.75% to the level of 8,700 rupiah per share. BBRI went up 1.55% to 4,600 rupiah per share. Bumi went up 0.53% to the level of 189 rupiah per share. And Adaro went up 1.27% to 3,980 rupiah per share. And meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got Bukit Asam went down 0.52% to the level of 3,790 rupiah per share. United Tractors went down 1.36% to the level of 32,750 rupiah per share. BRMS went down 3.72% to the level of 181 rupiah per share. And ENRG went down 2.33% to the level of 336 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see this intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 15,576 rupiah, showing strengthening trend towards US dollar. And it was closed at the level of 15,524. And in summary, rupiah went up 0.24%. Dharma Satya Nusantara recorded a profit surge of 114% in the third quarter of 2022. The profit growth was supported by an increase in the average price and sales volume of CPO. Dharma Satya Nusantara recorded a profit surge of 114% in the third quarter of 2022, in line with the growth of CPO production. Based on the financial statements, the company recorded a net profit of 893.11 billion rupiah. This amount has increased compared to net profit in the same period last year, amounting to 415.88 billion rupiah. The increase in profit was triggered by an increase in the average price and sales volume of CPO compared to the third quarter of 2021. In addition, the good performance of the wood products business segment during the 9 months of 2022 also boosted the company's profit growth throughout 2022. The value of palm oil sales in the third quarter of 2022 grew 32% compared to the same period last year. This growth was driven by an increase in the average selling price of CPO by 28% to 11 million rupiah per ton and a positive growth in CPO sales volume of 3% after a 24% decline in the first 6 months. IDX Channel reports.